Hello everyone and welcome to the Full Stack Developer channel. In today's video, we are going to explore how to combine artificial intelligence with behavioral driven development to secure software development process. Over the past 2 years, AI has transformed the way we write code, boosting our productivity. But while AI helps us develop features faster, it also comes with risks. Newly generated code can introduce regressions or break existing functionality. The best way to prevent this? Automating testing. Every time AI generates code, we run our test suite to ensure nothing is broken. Let's take a real-world scenario. Imagine we have an e-commerce website that sells cars. A client has requested a new feature. They want to see the export price without the value-added tax for international sales. So our user story is simple. As a consumer, I want to see car prices with and without the value-added tax when purchasing for international export. To implement this using AI and BDD, we'll follow these steps. First of all, we generate the gherkin file from the user story using AI. This file defines the best scenario in a BDD format. The second step is to generate the test file from the gherkin file, also using AI. Here I'll be using Microsoft Playwright for testing. And the third step is to generate the feature code from the test file, again leveraging AI. For this demo, I'll be using Claude Sonnet, which is an excellent AI for coding tasks. Let's dive in and see how AI can streamline the entire BDD workflow. Now let's dive into the practical part. Here's the website we'll be working on with two vehicles and their prices. As you can see, the value-added tax price is not displayed yet, and that's exactly what we are going to implement. First, I will install Playwright and Playwright BDD in my project. These tools will allow us to automate our tests and ensure that everything works as expected. Now I will copy the user story into Cursor Editor's AI chat and ask the AI to generate a gherkin file. The AI has created a gherkin file with multiple examples, but for this demo, I will ask it to simplify the file to make the next step easier to follow. Once that's done, I will copy the gherkin file into my project. This step can also be automated with AI. Before generating the test file, I will initialize Playwright in my project and configure it to read features and step files. Now it's time to generate the test file from the gherkin file. I'll provide an example to the AI to ensure the generated test is compatible with the Playwright BDD framework. Once the test file is generated, I will copy it into my project. Again, this step can also be automated with using AI. Before launching the tests, I will install the Chromium test browser. Now let's run our tests. As expected, the test fails because the feature hasn't been implemented yet. This is exactly how behavioral-driven development works. The tests guides our development process. Now I will uncomment the AI-generated code, and as you can see, the export passed without the value-added tags is now displayed. Let's relaunch the tests, and everything is green. If we check the test report, we can see that all scenarios have passed successfully. By following this approach, we ensure that nothing in our code breaks when adding new feature, allowing us to move forward with confidence. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. See you in the next video.